Stop scrolling. If your business is not ranking on Google, you are leaving revenue on the table. Search engine optimization drives the acquisition engine of modern digital marketing. Brands that understand SEO do not chase customers, they attract them organically. Here is the reality. Every day, millions of buyers search for solutions, not ads. When your website appears at the top of those search results, trust accelerates and conversions increase without paid media spend. SEO works by aligning your content with what users are searching for, optimizing technical performance, and building authority through high-quality backlinks. Google rewards relevance, quality, and user experience. Sites that load fast, offer valuable content, and demonstrate expertise win the ranking race. When smart businesses combine SEO with paid advertising, they build a scalable demand generation flywheel. Paid ads buy short-term traffic. SEO builds long-term, compounding traffic equity. That is how growth-driven digital brands dominate their market. If you want to future-proof your digital marketing career or business, master SEO. Follow for daily high-value marketing intelligence.